Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. A very happy new year and happy holidays to you all. And as you guys know, I was visiting India for past few months and I collected a lot of stuff from there. Today in this video I'll be sharing specifically beauty stuff I got from India and some of the accessories which I picked from there. So without wasting much time, let's begin with this video. Now the stuff I'm going to share with you guys, some of it is like gifts from the family and friends, and some of them I picked on my own. So I'll just tell you what I got as gift and what I purchased on my own. So if you guys are interested in any of the reviews on any of these particular products, do let me know in the comment box. So I'll be happy to do review for you guys. So there's a lot of stuff from India, so you guys take your coffee mugs or tea mugs and just sit down and relax while you're watching this video. So the first thing I got as a gift is this Huda Beauty lip gloss, and it's like strawberry gloss. I got one more but I'm not able to find it right now in my stuff, so you'll have to bear with me. So that's how it looks like, and it's called Strawberry Metallic Lip Gloss, and the shade I have it in is Mystical. I'll show you the swatch. I used it while I was in India and I really love this shade over my bare lips, but you can definitely use it on your lip color as well. The next thing I got is this hair oil, and it's a bringa oil, and it has coconut, and I can smell curry leaves in here, and it has this amazing comb at the top. I'll show you the bottle. So that's how the bottle looks like, and oils come out of these combs, and it's really easy to get oils in your roots. So it's basically anti-hair fall oil, and a lot of people said that they were like benefited from this oil, so I really wanted to try it out. So the next I got is face packs from Fab India, and this one is Haldi Chandan. It's lightening and brightening face pack, and the other one is Neem Tulsi. It's clarifying and purifying, and Fab India is a great brand if you want to try something from India. They have clothes, accessories, edible items, beauty stuff, everything. So everything is like herbal. So if you want to try out their skincare, it's really good, especially the toner, which I'll be showing you in a moment. I really love that toner. I used a whole bottle of that toner while I was in India, and I got one for hair too. So those are both the face packs, so I'll be alternating between both of these, and I got few more which are my favorites. I'll show you in a moment. So the next thing I got is this massage oil. This is almond massage oil, and I really used to love it while I was in India. It really makes your skin like glowy, and that's how it looks like. I got it from Fab India, and I'll be using it as my after shower oil, and you can also use it on your hair, so it's good for that too. And the next thing I got is this cleansing milk. Oh, I'm sorry, I thought I am grabbing a toner, and that was exact same toner, tea tree toner, but I think I accidentally grabbed cleansing milk. So maybe I'll use it and let you guys know what I feel about it. So the next thing I got is from brand called Himalaya, and you can get it over here as well at the Indian grocery stores. You get these face packs, and these are really amazing if you are having breakouts. So whenever my skin breaks out, I try this mask for 4 or 5 days, and my skin is calmed down. So I really love it. So I got 2 of these. So the next thing I grabbed is bleach. So this is Oxy bleach, and this is really good for really sensitive skin. It doesn't irritate your skin or burns your skin. So my skin is really sensitive, and if I use harsh bleaches, it burns my skin, so I don't want that. So that's why I grabbed this pack. So the next things I got are gifts from family and friends. So there's a brand called Kama Ayurveda, and it was not there when I was there. So this was first time I was hearing about this brand, and stuff from this brand is really expensive, that's what I feel. And you can get it on Nykaa, or you can get it from their store. I think the store is at Select City Walk in Delhi. So that's how it looks like. It's basically hair oil which will prevent hair fall, and it will stop premature graying of your hair, and it will also treat dandruff if you have any. So basically I need all of that, and it says on the packaging it's 100% natural. I haven't used it yet, it's still sealed, so I will use it. And if you guys want to know about it, how I felt about it, do let me know in the comment box below so that I can do a review for you guys. And the next few things I got from this same brand are this is like brightening night cream. So that's how it looks like. I really love the packaging. I haven't opened it up yet, but I'm planning to use it as my nighttime cream, and as soon as I get over with my Genifique, I'll use this. Now the next thing I got is this neem oil, and it's cold pressed. That means it's like extracted from the neem leaves in the first go, and it was not given any heat or anything to extract oil, because if oil is heated while you're extracting, the chemical composition changes. And like the cold pressed one is the best oil you can get, and it's the most expensive also. So this is the neem oil. You can use it in your hair or on your body. It's antibacterial. Neem is really good for your skin, so I just bought it to use it on my skin and maybe mixed with few other oils. So that's what I'm gonna use it for. And again, this is gift from family. So the next thing I got is this package from Body Shop, and this was gift from a friend, and it has a lot of body related stuff, so I'll share everything one by one. So here is the exfoliating body wash. That's how it looks like. And here is a body lotion, or the gel lotion. I assume it's basically a hand moisturizer. And here is body mist, and this bottle is like glass bottle, so I'm really excited to see how it smells. It's very light and fresh scent, so you can use it like every day after your shower, so I'm really excited to try it out. So the next thing you have in here is this body gel or shower gel. So that's how it looks like, and all the stuff had satsuma fragrance or satsuma in it. So basically it's a cold pressed satsuma essence. I don't know what it is, but that's what in here. So the last thing in that package was this hand cream, and it's really good, like for on the go. I'll keep it in my purse, and it's called Vanilla Chai. So guys, those were all the beauty stuff which I got from India, and now we'll start with the accessories. So the first thing I got is this beautiful necklace, and you can see it's really beautiful. I'll show you up close. Like, it's really beautiful. I love the beads in here. It's really a statement piece, and it comes with beautiful earrings like so. So I really love these earrings. You can wear them on their own, and necklace is beautiful, and at the back you can see it has beautiful design. So, and I got it for I think 600 rupees. The next thing I got is in this box, and it's Swarovski crystal earrings. So that's how it looks like, and they were like 3000 something, and my husband ordered them online. So that's how they look like. They are very classy, and they look very nice with both Indian and Western outfits. So that's how it looks like. And this is what my mother-in-law got me when she was vacationing in Andaman. So it's a beautiful shell necklace with peacock details, and it has earrings too. So again, you can pair them with your Western dresses, and they look really pretty. I really love it. The next thing I got is this pretty white necklace, and it's like pretty full. It looks like so when it's on, and it's really beautiful. And you won't imagine, I got it for just 100 rupees from my local market, and it's so pretty. And if you guys want to see all the pictures how these things looks on, I will be posting a few pictures here and there on my Instagram, so please follow me there for all the pictures and the jewelry, how I'll be styling these. So the next thing I got is this Mangtika, and that's how it looks like. You need to put it like this, so that's how it looks like. And I can't set it properly right now, but I'll be again styling it on my Instagram and posting few pictures with it, and it looks really beautiful like. And it was for I think 300 or 400 rupees, not very expensive. So that's how it looks like, and you can see it has like gold balls or the gold beads. It looks really pretty, and it has this really small hanging at the forehead, which like it will go with your Indian and Western outfits both. So I'll style it and show you guys how this piece can be styled. So the next thing I got is these pretty statement earrings, and these were really expensive. I think these were for 200 rupees. So that's how they look like, and they're very classy, very geometric, and I would love to style them. And I think I have posted picture of them on my Instagram, so if you want to have up close look, you can go visit there. So that's how they look like. Then again, I also got these earrings. This is very Indian, and I think I got them for 200 rupees from Lajpat Nagar. So that's how they look like, really pretty, and you can see how ethnic they look. So I also got sterling silver bracelets, and you can find them at jewelers. This one has black beads and sterling silver in it, so that's how it looks like. And this one is like basically a sterling silver beaded bracelet. These are a lot like Tiffany's bracelets. You can pair them with Tiffany's or Pandora bracelets. They are almost the same but much cheaper, because I got this one, I think this one was for 600 rupees and this one is for 8 or 900 rupees. So these are really cheap. Pandora ones are also sterling silver, Tiffany is sterling silver, but they overprice their items. So if you want something to go with those bracelets, you can buy these and pair all of them together. So that's how they look like. So also here are very pretty anklets, and these anklets are like pure silver anklets, and my mom gifted them to me on Diwali. So that's how they look like, and I think I can wear them as a bracelet or one anklet at a time, so they look really pretty. So guys, those were all the things I got from India. I hope you enjoyed the haul, and if you wish to see a particular product or a review on particular product, do let me know in the comment box below and I'll do it for you guys. And that was all for this video guys. Do enjoy your holidays, happy new year, and I'll catch you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.